welcome to GamerFries. I'm Finner7. We got a different video for you today. Gamers gotta eat. We're making GamerFries. First off, let's talk about ingredients. Mac and cheese, nacho cheese, fries, chicken, Chick-fil-A and ranch. Alright, the first thing you want to do, throw your chicken and fries in the air fryer for 20 minutes, 400 degrees. Okay, so while that's cooking, we'll make our mac and cheese. Everyone knows how to make mac and cheese. I'm not going to tell you. So this is the boring part. It takes about a half hour to make this stuff, so we'll be right back. So we make each mac and cheese bowl separately. Y'all should know how to make mac and cheese. Alright, so they come with these packets. We only need one of them because we're going to use this. Alright, let's warm up our cheese. So first, we're going to put the lid on. But we're not going to clip it, we're just going to have a little airspace so it doesn't explode on us. Alright, so take the lid off. Go ahead and scoop about 3 scoops into each bowl, maybe 2, depending on how much you like cheese. And to give it the fake cheese flavor, I guess, let's go ahead and put a little bit of it in there. So they give you way too much. And you take your spoon, you stir it. Okay, so the chicken's done. The fries needed another like 5 minutes, so probably 25 minutes for the fries there. So let's go grab our chicken. Alright everybody, so we're gonna take chicken. I washed my hands, so yeah. And just cut it up. Just like that. You take one at a time. You can do 2 at a time, but it does get messy. Just cut it up. Just like that. Just take a minute here, and I'm gonna cut up these chickens. So, we'll be right back.
Lights on, cameras ready, what's the score? Dropping wisdom and jokes, got content galore. We talk games, we talk shows.
So this is about the amount you want, just a full plate. And if you have extras, you got a little snack, but it's gonna be a big snack. So it looks like the fries are done, so let's go grab those. Alright, so now that we got everything and we're all cleaned up here, we can start assembling it. First thing you want to do, there's your mac and cheese out there. It will come out. Alright. To get it all out, go ahead and spread it all the way around the plate. So, after that, go and add your chicken. Then you go and grab your sauces. I like to start with ranch, it's my favorite. And you go turn it to the side and do the same thing with the Chick-fil-A sauce. Then you're gonna take a few of your fries. Just kinda, it's alright if some fall. It's all part of the process. Alright, now you're gonna do the same thing. Take your ranch, drizzle it. Take your Chick-fil-A sauce, drizzle it. And just like that, we got GamerFries. Alright, last step. Take a fork or two and dig into your GamerFries. So this was Finner 7 from GamerFridge. And now you know how to make GamerFries.
Snack attack, can't hold back. Eating quick, no time to slack. Mouse on fire, where's that treat? Gamer mode, but I gotta eat. Snack attack, can't hold back. Eating quick, no time to slack. Mouse on fire, where's that treat? Gamer mode, but I gotta eat. Pause the game, dash to the fridge. Stacked with goodies, gotta make a bridge. Rappers fly, find that feast. Hungry mode, need a beast. Quick bite, back to the fight. Fuel for the game all night. Level up, boost my might. Gamer grind, hunger out of sight. Kids break for a long way. All work to find. Said you choose, you move it. Said you choose, you find. All for the submitter. These hustle of mine. Said you choose, you move it. All for mega mind. Chips and soda, microwaves glow. Instant ramen, I'm ready to go. Controller still, got to fill the hunger clock. It won't chill. Multitasking, eyes on the screen. Nibbling snacks, keeping it lean. Victory's close, but first the feast. Gotta fuel up, unleash the beast. Quick